Join me on a tour of Balboa Park in Southern California. Balboa Park is a 1,200-acre historic urban cultural park located in San Diego, California. The park includes 17 museums, gardens galore, and the world-famous San Diego Zoo. It is one of North America's most iconic urban parks and a must-see on any visit to San Diego, California. This park is full of gardens, museums, green spaces, and great architecture in the heart of the city. It also contains several theaters, walking paths, and so much more. You would have to spend at least one full day just to see part of it. Admittance to the park grounds is free. The grounds are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can just walk right in. The venues and restaurant hours vary. There are also many paid attractions and experiences. Most of the cultural attractions in the park are independently managed, non-profit organizations. The admission prices will vary by institution. You can find all of the latest park information at the Visitor Center located in the House of Hospitality or at the Park Ambassador Information Tent that is located in front of the building in the Plaza de Panama. If you get hungry while visiting, there are many restaurants or cafes to choose from. Balboa Park began as 1,400 acres of land set aside in 1868 by San Diego's civic leaders. Today, the total land parcel has been reduced to 1,200 acres. I hope that you have enjoyed this walking tour around Balboa Park. See you in the next video.